Hello guys, Small Island Fish guys. So have a bit of a dilemma here. I've been cycling this tank with like a few breedings and I may have lost count. I'm not sure if I posted a video on this recently because I did have a mental downtime where I was more breeding a few favorites and I got more into habit than posting and trying to make posting a habit. So anyway, in that week and a half, 2 weeks downtime, I had these babies. And the question I'm asking now is, what did I mix to make these? So I have a general idea of two, my delta or my copper feather tail male. And if it's a copper feather tail male, I believe the last thing I put him with was a white female and the delta with a Cambodian female. It could be that I had a splitter in here as I do sometimes, but I'm trying to remember if I did a splitter last. Yeah, that. So, the color in up a bit, the one back out, this back away a bit. You can kind of see some iridescence on them. Tank glasses, oh, look, get some dust off. Tank is really dirty, but try not to interfere with them too much. So you can see them free swimming fast, and I have them on brine shrimp. The next reason why I had like a